Every day wahala. So trouble we dey make. When we wake up and then go out, so trouble we dey create. Every day wahala. So trouble kwa bema. Na sienya sita na hu say ba na stress asem never.
Stories be a trendy ewo intintan video ni so a me share social media na say a very touching and very inspiring ayana ye pese ye de ebeba na ye no nyina aba be share. Yes, don't forget I go by the name Blue Man and I'm your proud American blogger. Story be trendy ewo social media so a Belamundi TV3 media general NNA woman bia. It is very hard and very difficult, very painful. So be one me mu me ensa nyina mbema. Now suddenly they weren't born blind, but suddenly they obi hu ane say omo miensa ni nyina eni efura ewa abra omo nyina edru omo mpempen so bi. And the kind of way omo fame omo any be fry, you know. Why they became blind and they are very mysterious and it's ununderstandable. You can never comprehend their situation. So what that honum na was so daye or so daye no na obiduti enun sum na when you better no na yes when you na totally blind. The next one so di one so also opera na bibi etoneni na eno ano ne neni mienu nyina efra. The next one odi wo biem be ma no so sa ono so eni efra. So this woman was with Belamundi on TV3 the day show and yebusa the woman no how is it painful, how is she coping with this kind of situation. So on be ma 3 mil omu nyina omu eni ayeden efra. And you say they weren't born blind. They were almost foresight, you know, almost sight and they very clear. And right war, but suddenly people have this assumption and now these people have this mindset say they do not believe spiritual things. Charlie, spiritually, you may work it. If you don't take care, if you don't know God, if you don't believe in God, you don't believe in anything, then make sure say all things that you are doing in Ibiana ebe okay amount. People amunye bone krampo when people attack them spiritually a kan na wo a uni hwe bon ho ban then sorry bia then you start blabbing. Charlie Yanko tie woman no Emra Belamundi ebusa no say the situation no kwan ben so no fa so e de esia no kwan.
At any point did you feel like this is probably witchcraft or something like a spiritual attack?
God.
Did it ever cross your mind? Akeshi? Spiritual attack?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
It did.
In hope.
Akeshi. Let me ask them, Pastor.
We ye no ana wo busa eye panyin na odi ho no na obekire mu say wada madawo so wada na obeti wani suddenly no wada ondani mu no wasodaye na obidi wuti enu nsuo na obidi wuti enum odi wuti num wie ye no osore ye no na ye say wani efra. You see this? Very sad and very pathetic. As a mother, there na be first thing that happen there na obey. Oba da sorry. Oda ye no was so that ye say obidi ni so ni ti adipi into water. Ne ni titi na in reality no sorry ye no ni efra.
So we have Pastor, we have Prof. Joseph. Bemi kwake lehu ye nickname lo. Leji Pope. Hey. Pastor Pope and Prof. Okay, I like that. But Pastor, you said that you felt it was a spiritual attack. Why do you say that?
Because you see, I wasn't expecting such a thing. Somebody can dream and his head could be dipped in water and nothing will happen to that person. But I don't know mine. I don't actually know. Immediately, my head was being dipped in water. Waking up, that was the end. So I believe it was something spiritual.
You believe so?
Total blindness. So obey say tackle spiritually. Oh ye oh ha na ba konso pra. Ono nso pra no saa na bibi eto neni. Gu neni so no eno ano no. Ono nso eni efra. De odi ho be ma odi ho. Ono nso eni efra. Omaje bia enye
Yes, please.
Pope, do you also think this is spiritual?
Oh, yes.
You do?
Yes.
Why?
Because as for my own, that time I was sweeping because I mean, I don't want to expect that. I don't want to expect that, I'm sweeping and something will fall into my eye. Because people will be sweeping and something will fall into their eye, but they will not face any problem. They will not get any problem.
Yeah.
But as for me, I don't know.
How do you think your mom feels about this, Prof? How I mean, she sings for you and all, trying to make you strong. But how do you honestly think that she feels when she's alone? Does any of you want to respond?
Yes,
Okay.
Third one no nso no nim se ono na eba be kurekuro mu kakra no ono nso eni fon. Sad. Very, 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 very sad. This kind of situation, if you don't steadfast, one take care, na say when hunu like one kranya mimu ye no money adia, one here be show ho adru, obe no madru kun ho, na be show ho akonfo. Because attack ben kwa na eba also. O de yenko ni yenko tie second one nso a story nso embra. Second one nso story na yakwa kutia yabano. So yakwa kutia yabano. Ono nso de no saa opera na bibia toneni. No third one nso ayenim se nke no ono de ni daso ehoho e de mayen na ono nso koya ono nso eni efura. Meso so be share wadwen so can be say words of encouragement na for mama me no ene mmofra no such situation bisa ho say ye wa how will you feel obe feel saying
She feels so sad because I'm not sure 3 boys like this will go or we were not able to see. So I'm feeling that they are feeling something bad in them.
Yeah, but she cannot express it because she needs you to be strong.
Yeah. Always she encourages us to be fine. Everything will be fine for us.
Okay. So you'll be fine. Is that my papa yo? Nyefenya yo shia kume. Nyefenya kume. Wo nyefenya kwa me. Okay.
Ewa abrabonim. Saying ebe call the ama. Very sad, very sad. Once again, I go by the name Blue Man, and I am your proud American blogger. Make sure someone subscribe to your channel. Yeah, no subscribe. Ede amaye. Afi na hit notification bell no send ebe ya next time be me the new update be abound so sabeka makramo blink.